Hey guys, hey, just
And how about Justin?
we're gonna win.
Is that all? Okay, good. A beautiful day down here in Foster City, right?
Yeah. Hey Luca. Shift up, right, Coach Enrique?
Yeah, listen. Hey, you guys, we're giving Lucas a little bit more liberty, okay? So just like we're doing in the warm-up over there, pretend we're playing rondo, okay? That's what it's called, keep away. Except we have a guy in the middle, right?
Can I go captain?
Go ahead, Lucas. Okay.
Oh, on the floor.
Get up there, get up there, get up there. Push up, Alessio. Kenta. Yeah, close the gap, okay? Yeah.
Look at Ryan.
Alessio, between you and Alessio, okay?
Look at Ryan.
Kenta, you're on the
Nice,
left,
Leo,
okay?
good
Make
boy.
sure you give him that option.
Come to it, Yuri.
Kenta, come here, you're on the left.
Yuri, get back on D.
Dude, Ryan, you take it.
David, hit it.
Go, get that
David,
up.
be well.
Get it. You're playing right there.
Come out, Yuri.
What
I'll
is
fit
it
Yuri.
forward?
Ryan, ready. Nice.
David, yeah.
Nice, David. One. Good.
Again.
That's a nice
Side,
ball,
let's go.
Yuri. Hey, Yuri,
Get back there, come on. Oscar, let's go, back full.
No. And we had no choice. He was mad because he didn't.
Play what you see, Kenta, yeah. And back on, we're back on. Good. Good, Aaron. Keep going. Fortunate, it's fine. Good idea.
Come on.
I saw it, okay? Good idea. Win it there, guys. Win it right there.
Wait, who was our goalie when we had Dylan?
Good idea.
Nicholas, don't dive
Jesse,
in.
don't go. Jesse, stay. Okay, you're in the back right now. Okay, you can't do that stuff. Don't turn your back to the ball, please. Okay?
Great kick.
It's like full bench. They got full bench.
Line them up, Jed. Find Leo. Hey. Aaron.
Nice, Chase. Good point. Go.
It looks pretty equal so far.
Win it there. Play with your feet. There you go. Back up. Turn around.
Hey, settle it.
side. Work the other side. Work the weak side, Jesse. Good job. Good job. Aaron, he needs some help. Drop, Jed. Drop. Come on. Look, you gotta be able to see that. See it. The left is there.
Good job, Aaron.
Go, Leo. Have it. All right, Leo. It's all right. Good.
Mason, keep an eye on left.
Aaron. I can stay. You gotta put it up. Kentel, okay? Give him a shot at it.
Julian!
Get there. Good, Aaron. Good. It's coming this way. It's coming this way. Yeah, there you go. That way. Jed, you. Same with you. Come on, Kentel, win it there. Support him, Jed. You have help. Go, Jed. Now draw for him. Kentel. Yeah, there you go. Keep it going. Shift this way, Jesse. Look, we have no back. You guys, we can't do this. Stop crowding the space in there.
Behind him!
Have it now! Now, Leo! Alright, good try. Right there. Come on. Good. Go. Find Aaron if you can. Find Aaron. Have it, Kentel. Kentel, we can't give up on it, dude.
It's in there. Serious. Here, everybody down.
They're dead. Travel with it. Travel with it. Come on. Good God. You guys are in the center mid now, okay? Jesse, don't go up. Gio, come on. Come on, Gio. Good try, Kenta. Come on, put it in, put it in. No! All right, throw it in front of you. Let him do the running, okay? He's fresh, you got fresh legs. Okay? I'll win it, I'll win it. Give it to him. Oh, all right, all right. There you go. Winning.
catch it.
Oh my god.
Perfect. Just let Leo get a nice header on it. Go, Leo! Nice shot! Woo!
Go, Caps!
Ella, take it off! Ella, take it! Take it! No!
Come on! Kev, win that ball!
Ella!
50-50, win it!
Ella!
Go, Leo! David, get fast!
Let's
Kai.
Run on.
Captain Kai there to help you, man. Good job. Hey, good idea, guys.
Talk. Ball. No, go. That's it.
Ashley. What's behind you? Hey, Mason.
Hey, can't have three guys there. Look.
Guys, what are you guys doing?
Put it out. Let's go.
Go there. Well done, Ryan. Hey, Connor, again, well done. Keep what work, mate.
Get rid of it. Get rid of it.
Guys, support!
Connor there. Come on.
It's all right.
That's lucky, boys.
Come on.
Come on, win this fight.
Go, buddy.
Hey, let's go, Kev. Let's go.
Monty, get up. Take him on. Take him on, Kevin. Hey.
Chase, that's beautiful, Chase.
Stop him!
Go, buddy. Get the ball. You have to go forward. Stay okay.
Nice throw. Sorry, Jesse.
Up top. Get up top. Get up.
How should we get there? Go, Jesse!
Come on! You in a big kick, come on!
Go, Kevin! Go, Kevin! Don't let him down! Go, Kevin! Go! Now we're in defense. Yeah, get on, Manny! In there a little while. Get there. Good job.
Head to your arm!
Come on, bud. Mason, go, Mason! Come on, Mason, give it go!
Mason, you got me!
That's yours, Chase! Chase it! Chase, shift it, okay?
We're in the danger area. Hello? Aaron, go. You're our own target. Get this out. Let the ball bounce, David. Go on. Harry. Go on.
Can we send someone? Can we send someone?
Give it!
Go, Kevin! Connor, get it.
Go off!
Eric, come on, Eric!
Go off!
David, hurry now, get there. Get there.